If you want to customize the control center on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then first of all we need to go to the control center. Now over here we need to scroll down in order to reveal the edit button. So we can tap on it in order to customize the control center. So over here we can add new buttons that will be visible in the control center. We can simply tap on these buttons in order to add them. For example, I can tap on D&D in order to add it, or I can press and hold my finger and then I believe, well, I cannot really drag and hold. So first I need to add it and then I can drag and hold in order to change the position of the button. So also we can find app toggles here if needed. And once you are done with the changes, you need to simply tap on this check in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!